Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other mining website to pay you without any work. Just you put your wallet address and start mining. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. This is the mining website. The mining website is 99mining, the mining website name. Okay, this mining website have link in description. This is very easy. Per minute pay you this much mining, and per day pay you this much Bitcoin. Okay, if you like to start, just put your wallet address in here, just click start mining. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, and this mining website link in description. Click the link and come here, just put your wallet address and click start mining. Wait some second to reload the page. Okay, this is the mining website. Okay, and this website start mining for you every minute and every day. And this is now starting the mining, and this is all the package you can buy. Okay, and you can earn much more if you pay this much BTC. Every day pay you this much, and you can earn this much from this website every day. Okay, and this is the all platforms you can use, and you can withdraw your funds. The minimum withdrawal is this much, and you can go to notify me every time the minimum withdrawal reach. Notify you, just paste your Gmail account in here, and you can click notify me, send you a link. Okay, you can come here. This one tell you can win 5 BTC. Okay, with your referral link, and this is the all referral people to win this 5 BTC. Okay, and this is the all way you can earn. Just read this one, and you can check your account. Okay, a lot of you love to start free mining. This one is the free mining website, and this is your referral link. You can copy your referral link to paste to friend and come here, join in this website. Okay, this is all. This website is very easy. Just put your mining start, and they pay you that much Satoshi to told you every day. And after a few days, after 10 days, come here, and you can claim your after 5 days come back, and you can claim your BTC. Okay, after 5 days. This is the daily. After 4 or 5 days, come here, and you can claim your minimum balance reach. Okay, turn off the reload automatically, because I don't have to reload for me. This is this website link in description. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.